Ang pelikulang ito ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
I can see it clearly, the road we have to take to make all our dreams come to life.
It's not gonna be easy, but as long as you're